Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katsia. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I mentioned in my previous video that I was going to be revamping some sandals that I found at my local dollar store. Two of these sandals are at the dollar store. I say dollar store is from $1 to $5. I think I ended up paying the two pair of sandals, they were $4 each. And then the other pair of sandals, if you watched one of my latest videos, I showed you in one of my hauls that I had gotten these really nice sandals, but I wanted to catsify them, make them a little bit more my style and make them more original and different. So I wanted to show you how I created simple dollar store sandals and transformed them into beautiful sandals that I want to wear. It doesn't have to cost a huge amount of money. You can go out there, go to the dollar store, go to a thrift store. You can find sandals pretty much anywhere and you can tweak them, revamp them. I feel as though anyone can do these sandals. You can buy some ribbon at your dollar store, fabric store, and all kinds of things that you can bedazzle your sandals with. I end up getting a hole puncher a while back. It is a game changer when it comes to my belts and when it comes to my sandals as well. Whatever you want to punch holes in, any leather, even straps of your purses, I think that a hole puncher, everyone needs one of those. They are so practical. You don't think that you need a hole puncher until you have a hole puncher. And I love all three pair of sandals. I'm not sure which one is my favorite, but I love them all. And so anyway, without further ado, we are going to jump right into the whole video. Enjoy. hope that you enjoyed this type of video. Comment down below, let me know which sandal is your favorite. Moving on to the outfit part, I'm going to start off with my hat. This is another one of my creations from Koakaya. I haven't put them up on Koakaya, so if you're interested in any of them, then maybe DM me on Instagram or write a comment down below. I will try to get back to you. Dress is from Koakaya. It is from the new collection. It is so comfortable. It is hand blocked dresses, 100% cotton. They have a tie, so you can either tie it with this little tie here on the side, or you can leave it loose and have it a little bit more flowy. I love the sleeves. I love the print. It is, I would say, on me, it's about a maxi. It goes to my ankle. On someone a little bit taller, I'm 5'4", it probably would go mid-calf. And it also has a little ruffle at the bottom there. It is the perfect summer dress. It's lightweight. It's so pretty, and I am so happy about it. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested. I have small, medium, large, and I would say this is a small, but I mean, it could probably fit someone who's a medium, I would say. I kind of tied it really tight, but I would say a small would be a medium. They're made a little bit more oversized, and I love that. So you can have it very loose, or you can have it cinched in at the waist, which I love, and then you can wear a belt with it. So anyway, the dress will be available once this video goes up. And then this scarf, I had gotten this at the thrift store. Again, if you've been following me for a while, you saw this beauty. I love it. I think it's so cute, whether you wear it like a little poncho-ish, which I'm doing today, or you can tie it in the front like this with a knot, and it looks so pretty and very bohemian. Then belt I got at the thrift store. Some of my jewelry is from Koakaya, and this one I am not too sure where I got it. This, I might have thrifted it. So anyway, that is pretty much it. That is the whole outfit. Next video, comment down below. I was thinking, since I revamped some sandals, I was thinking summer is right around the corner. I used to do this a while back to my bikinis or my swimwear. I would love to take simple swimwear and transform it into something special and different. So comment down below. Let me know if you're interested in maybe transforming my bikinis or my one-piece suits. I am loving this revamping thing. I'm very much into it. It's creating my own pieces that nobody will have and not spending a fortune on everything, because it does add up. And I am someone that loves to change things, change fashion all the time. So for me, there are some pieces I don't mind spending money on, but then there's things that I prefer making it my own and buying something that's more simple and then transforming it. So I'm very much into that lately. So comment down below, let me know if you could be interested in seeing that for my next video. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your thumbs up, your continuous support. I love you so much. I would not be doing this if it weren't for you. And I know I keep repeating myself, but that is the honest truth. That is literally coming from the bottom of my heart. I love you so much. It makes me feel that I am doing my part in this world. And if that's sharing my inspirations and my creativity with you, then I am doing my job. So I love you. I will see you next time. Have the best week ever. Mwah. Bye, guys.